Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm delighted to share a traditional and festive Onam special recipe, delicious Moong Dal Payasam. Let's get started this flavorful South Indian delicacy. First I taken 100 grams of Moong Dal and will dry roast them for 5 minutes until they become aromatic and lightly golden. Once fried to perfection, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool for a few minutes. After that, wash it thoroughly under clean running water to remove any dirt or impurities. I will wash the lentils thoroughly again. Now we will add twice the water of moong dal and let it boil. After 15 minutes of cooking, the lentils are perfectly cooked and have reached a soft tender consistency. We will move on to the second process. We will take 50 grams of jaggery on a pan. Mix 100 ml of water with 50 gram jaggery. We will move on to the third process. Take 2 teaspoons of cow ghee in the pan. Mix cashews and raisins and fry them. Dry fruits will become slightly golden in color. Then add grated coconut and fry. Chopped ginger mix. Mix jaggery water in the boiled moong dal. Add salt as per your taste. Add cashews mixed with raisins and coconuts. Add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix all the ingredients well. Now we will add the freshly prepared coconut milk. If you want to know how to make coconut milk at home, I have shared the link in the description below. Feel free to check it out for complete recipe. If you do not have coconut milk, then you can add cow's milk. Keep in mind friends, if you add coconut milk, then do not boil more time. Thank you.